Hey anglers, I am here to kind of give you a math update. I wanted to give us a few days before I did this because I know that are probably overwhelmed with emails and I didn't want to add to all that stress. But now that we are in day 3 of our digital learning days, I wanted to go through and kind of make sure everyone's on the same page and we're all doing what we need to be doing. Okay, so this is the home page. Okay. I'm in student view, so this is exactly what you should see. So if you're completing the digital option, all the information is under the digital learning day. You have the digital learning day expectations. Please read over these. It very clearly states everything that I expect. As of now, the due date for all assignments is March 27th. So the extended days that we have, those assignments will have a new due date. Okay, so I am also taking digital classes for my master's. So I understand that you might feel like doing language arts one day, and then you might feel like doing math another day, and you might knock out a few days of math assignments all at once. And that's totally okay with me as long as you don't get behind. Okay, do not procrastinate all of this stuff to do March 26th. It will be very difficult for you to complete everything fully and with correctly, basically, if you wait to do it until March 26th or March 27th. Okay, so I'm available for my office hours 10:30 to 12. That will guarantee you a pretty immediate response. However, I'm still working 8 to 4, so as long as you email me in that window, I'll try to get back to you in a reasonable time. Okay, after 4, I might get back to you, I might not. There's no guarantee. Okay, the expectation to use scratch paper does not go away. Whenever we return from this digital learning time, I will be collecting all scratch work, all milestones, warm-ups, everything. So make sure that you have a folder for math and that you're keeping track of all these things and they don't just go in the trash whenever you're finished with your assignment. You can use a calculator regarding anything statistics. So anything mean, median, mode, or box plots, or dot plots, any of those assignments, you can use a calculator. You cannot use a calculator on the warm-ups, which we've talked about in class. On Friday before we left, you had 2 options. You can do all of these digital assignments that I'm going through now, or you can do a series of textbook work. Okay, I'll accept either form. There is a digital equivalent assignment for every textbook page, all the textbook pages that I gave to you. Don't combine the two. Pick all textbook or pick all digital, okay? Here is a list of all the textbook pages. I will be updating this as we now have more digital learning days, and I do expect you to rip out those textbook pages and give them to me when we return to school. Okay, so here, those are all the expectations. If we go to the next page, this was what you should have done for Monday, and you need to be completing these day by day or step by step. Okay, you'll find the purpose of each assignment here under the objective. So for Monday, the objective was for you to be able to find mean, median, mode, and range. And a lot of you I've seen have already completed this. So you go to Tuesday and so on. Okay, so it very clearly states what you need to do step by step. I give you login information, and I try to go like incognito on my window so that I can see exactly what you're going to see, and so I can give you very clear step by step directions for how to complete things. Okay, so this is today's assignment. If you get to this and you've already been working on math for about 30 minutes, then this quizzes practice is going to roll over until tomorrow. So you should only be spending maximum about 35 minutes on math a day. Okay, so I realize that this Wednesday is pretty heavy, but Thursday might not be as heavy. So I'm trying to balance out how much time you're spending on each assignment. Okay, so I hope this little breakdown was helpful. I can conference with you via Teams, and I can set the whole thing up. If you are having a hard time creating a box plot or finding me medium mode or range, please, please, please reach out to me, because we can have like a little tutoring session. We can have a little group tutoring session if you want to reach out to some friends so you're not alone. I am here to help you. We can meet like face to face, like you can see my face and I can see your face, and I can walk you through on how to complete some things. So if you are really having a hard time, please let me know. I can only help you if you let me know. Other than that, I am trying to check all the survey responses and reaching out to anyone who said false. Also, the Go formative from Tuesday, as of 8:30 p.m. on Tuesday, I had graded all the ones that had, or checked all the ones that had been submitted. So if you completed it yesterday, everyone has received feedback from that, so you can go ahead and look through it. Once you receive all my feedback and you're ready to submit it, then you can go ahead and officially submit the Go formative. So hope this has been helpful. Please let me know if you need anything. See you guys.